Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to collect the seeds of these Calibrachoa. These were labeled as mini trailing petunias. They are also known as million bells, and these are really versatile plants. You can use them as a spiller in hanging baskets or in containers. I used them in 4 hanging baskets, and there were 2 colors like yellow and pink, and I absolutely adore these plants. They are loaded with blooms and they are still doing really great. So you can see there are lots of blooms on them and some of the blooms are done. So if you take them off the done blooms, you can see a mini seed pod. So you can let these seed pods develop, and as they grow bigger and mature, then you can harvest the seeds. So there are plenty of seed pods here, as you can see. So I'm going to see if I can harvest some mature seed pods which look brown and they have nice mature seeds. So I'm going to save those seeds. Some pods are still green, so they are not ready to collect, and if you open them, the seeds are white. So you don't want to collect those seeds. They are not mature enough and they won't germinate. So here I have got this seed pod. So you can see this seed pod, this is still green, it's not fully done, and if I open it, the seeds are white. So I don't know whether you can see or not. These seeds are white and they are really tiny. So you can see on my thumb there is a white seed. So I'm trying to focus it so you can see these are tiny white seeds. So I don't want to collect these seeds. Here is another pod. You can see it is already split open, so it's past its maturity, so it's dried and it's open and the seeds have been dispersed. So this pod is useless as well. So here I have found a seed pod which is fully mature, and you can see the seeds are black and these seeds are good, so they will have good germination rate. So I'm going to harvest this seed pod. So here you can see on my hand all these tiny black seeds which have come out of this seed pod. There are plenty of seeds in one seed pod. You can harvest as many seed pods as you want. Here I have collected more seed pods and there are plenty of seeds in each seed pod. As you can see, these seeds are black and I have put the seed pods on a white kitchen towel so you can see them clearly. The seeds are really tiny, so you need to handle them carefully. So basically all these seed pods are really dry, and if you squish them open, the seeds fall off really easily. So this way you can collect all the seeds, and I'm going to collect my seeds and make sure to separate all the debris and dried pods from the seeds, and the seeds are nice and clear, and then I show you how to save them. So here I'm collecting the seeds of Calibrachoa, which are also known as mini trailing petunias. So the seed pods are smaller than the seed pods of petunias. So the same way, if you look for petunias, you want to collect the seeds of petunia plants, you can look for the same seed pods on petunia plants. They will be much bigger than these seed pods because petunia flowers are much bigger than mini trailing petunia flowers. But the seeds are tiny and the seeds are black, and you can look for dried seed pods on petunia plants, and then you can harvest them and save your seeds in the same way. So the saving seeds is almost the same in both kinds of plants. It's just the seed pod is a bit bigger than these seed pods, but the seeds are tiny and small, and the process is same. So here I have collected all my seeds, and as you can see there are hundreds of seeds here. The seeds are absolutely tiny, and basically I have got plenty of seeds to get me so many plants. I bought like 12 plants this year and they were expensive, and I really like the plants. They are really beautiful plants loaded with blooms, and they can act as a spiller in many container arrangements in the landscape. You can use them as a ground cover or in hanging baskets. They look absolutely beautiful. So I want to collect these seeds so I can grow more plants next year, and those plants will be absolutely free. So it's really fun process to collect these seeds, and I really enjoyed collecting all these seeds. I'm really hopeful to grow more plants next year. So I'm going to fold this kitchen towel, and I will save the seeds in this kitchen towel, and then I'll put it in a paper envelope and label it with name and date, so I know when I collected it. And if you are collecting like yellow separately and pink separately, so you can label the varieties so you know they are separate varieties and separate colors, and you can store them in a cupboard. They can be good for a couple of years. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.